So, 7 months. Here at the 7 month mark, I want to take a step back and evaluate where exactly the channel stands and what the future holds for Rare Badger Studio going forward. I'll include some timestamps for the relevant parts, so let's start the quickfire round. Where are the reviews of the STL files? I really enjoyed these, but they are very time consuming. And for somebody who only has one 3D printer, which has been giving me a lot of fits and showing its age, with the cost of replacement parts going up due to various shortages and logistics issues globally, it's just become something I can't really sustain on that. Reviews, unfortunately, for the time being, are going on hiatus. Where's the D&D content? Gone. The world building and D&D content has been removed and will be returning to you in a new form eventually. It was not performing very well for the channel, and for the sake of the channel, I had to cut it. And now for the main event, the terrain builds. The big change is this: no more weekly terrain builds. These videos will come out when they're done, and I'm happy with them. The waterfront didn't quite work out the way I wanted to, and I ended up running out of time on that weekly schedule to end up with a product that I was truly happy with. It needed a little more shading, a few more washes. The ideal going forward will be at least a video every other week, which should hopefully result in me being able to make a much better video for you all without the cost, let's say, of driving me insane. The plan right now is another large piece of the Nightmare Frontier, some scatter terrain for the Nightmare, and then maybe something a little more humanoid, maybe some more ruin. So that's the channel update, everybody. If you want to know when the next part of the Nightmare goes live, then remember to toll the bell. Follow on the social below for the previews, updates, and teasers. And leave a comment below if you want to see certain themed terrain. I'm always interested in hearing from you guys. And if you're really feeling generous, you can hit that subscribe button.